In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up Trello account. By the end, you'll have a fresh Trello profile and you'll walk through the quick welcome tour so you know exactly what to expect the first time you log in. Start by opening your browser and searching for the Trello signup page. Typing something like register account Trello link will bring up the official result that takes you to the Atlassian signup flow for Trello. Click the Trello signup result to open the page. This is the official Atlassian identity screen, which powers logins for Trello and other Atlassian products. It's a good idea to confirm you're on a secure page and that the address is the correct Atlassian domain before you proceed. On the sign up page, click into the email field to get started. If you prefer not to create a separate password, you'll see several one-click options you can use instead. You can choose to continue with Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Slack. These single sign-on options let you authenticate using an account you already have, which is handy if your team uses one of those providers. If you already have an Atlassian account from another product, there's also a login link so you don't create a duplicate. Before moving forward, you can review the cloud terms of service and the privacy policy linked on that page. Skimming these helps you understand how your data is handled and what you're agreeing to. When you're comfortable, return to the main sign-up area. Now, type your email address into the field. Use an email you have immediate access to, since you'll need to verify it shortly. When you're ready, click Sign Up. Trello will create your new account and then walk you into a quick onboarding tour that lives in a sample board. This is a safe space to try features without impacting real projects. To move ahead in the tour, click the arrow to continue. You'll soon be prompted to add your first example card. Click Add Card, type a simple title like Test, and then click Add Card again to confirm. This demonstrates how easy it is to capture tasks on a board. Next, click Continue to advance. The tour uses a sequence of next steps, so keep clicking the arrow to move through each screen. As you progress, Trello highlights core ideas like lists, cards, and basic actions you'll use every day. Use the arrows to step through until you've seen each tip. You can repeat clicks on the next arrow to cycle through the remaining cards in the tour until you've reached the end. Eventually, you'll see a panel labeled One Last Thing. That's your prompt to finish setting up by confirming your email. Click it, then choose Open Email to jump to your inbox and find the verification message. If it hasn't arrived after a moment, return and click Resend to generate a new one. Delivery can take a minute depending on your provider. Check your spam or promotions folders just in case. If you realize you used the wrong address, there's an option to sign up with a different email, which will restart the sign up process with a new address. Once your email is verified, Trello completes onboarding and you'll be redirected to the Trello homepage, where your workspace and boards will be available. That's it. You searched for the Trello sign-up page, chose how to authenticate, reviewed key policies, created your account, explored the welcome board by adding a sample card and clicking through the tips, and wrapped up by verifying your email. Follow these same clicks and you'll be ready to start organizing your projects in Trello right away.